Grabbing people's attention as an affiliate marketer and getting them to take action is one of the key factors in increasing conversions when you are trying to earn commissions. Doing that with AI, you can see here inside of Writer, we're talking about using a copywriting framework, AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action. Once you find a product or you have a product you're promoting, you can utilize AI to give you multiple different variations of this framework that you can then take over and utilize when you're building a squeeze page. In this example, your name, your title, a paragraph, and learn more. We would be going back to what we got in Writer and looking at that as attention, interest, desire, action, and simply doing this copy and paste. Putting these in order to, again, utilize what the AI has given us based upon the product we're promoting, attention, interest, desire, action. In this example, in this use case, putting that information on a squeeze page and adding the action or the button here with the action for them to click, sign up to our email list so we can follow up with them, or simply send them over to the actual affiliate product page and make a purchase. Of course, to see this use case in action, we're looking at ClickBank and we're scrolling down and we're looking for a good offer. And we find an offer that we like, that we're going to promote, that we're okay with. And we're looking at it and we're going, okay, wealth manifestation offer, taking the market by storm, the average conversion, $47.84. So using the AI to create this interest and to create this action, interest and desire, using that copywriting framework, we are looking at increasing our conversions and earning more as an affiliate marketer. Of course, there's an affiliate page here. When you get over to this product, it has email swipes. Here you can look at the different email swipes that they have. They've crafted these. They've taken the time to put this information together. You're simply looking at these email swipes. In this case, we're looking at swipe number 1. Can you attract wealth with your DNA? The answer will surprise you. And of course, they've written a bunch of content. Go through it, study this, understand how to grab attention using this information. And of course, learning this skill and doing it on your own is great. But when you take it back to an AI, like over at Writer, and you let the AI use what it's learned about this copywriting framework, and you put in this information that you got from the swipe, can you attract wealth with your DNA? The answer will surprise you. Attention. What if the answer to your financial dreams was in your DNA? Interest. What if you could use science to make it happen? In this comprehensive guide, you'll learn how. Desire, science plus DNA equal wealth. Action, know how to use science for wealth and sign up for free at thednaofwealth.com. You can simply, again, take this and copy it. And in this use case, we're doing a squeeze page and we're grabbing attention. We're adding the desires and we are getting people to take action. In this case, we would simply add this to the button. If it's too long, if it's too much, obviously shorten it as best you can or let the AI do this for you. But the idea is you are working to increase your conversions with this use case using artificial intelligence, what it has learned, taking the information that you've gotten from the actual product itself, the affiliate page, where the people, the vendor that has created this product and letting you promote, they're letting you know the things that are working for them. You take that, you put it in the AI, let the AI come up with different variations and or improve upon it. And then you put those out in different variations. You put them up as squeeze pages, you create content, you get people to click on them, you measure that, and you see if your conversions are going up and down, and then you do more of that. That got the up conversion. The more conversions, the more you want to do, get more traffic to that. And that's the use case, in this case, for using the AI to grab attention using a well-known copywriting framework that the AI is well-versed in, that it has been studying and learning about, and letting it use that information or that knowledge, and you feeding it information, bits of information from the affiliate page, and then test that with traffic, send traffic to that. And of course, that is always the next step. Once you get this set up, is to get traffic. And if you'd like to know more about how I generate traffic and my recommended traffic sources, go ahead and watch the video you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.